lovely people. How is your day going? Mine is good. So a few weeks ago, I put on my community tab that Ofra had a mystery bag. Now they do that every few months, and I normally put on my community tab when they are available because they sell out very quickly. So they range about $25. And what I noticed what they're doing is Ofra came up with new packaging. So they have these mystery bags where they sell kind of like the older packaging and they put stuff in a mystery bag. But for $25, you get like well in advance. Like I think it's like close to, I don't know, but maybe about $100 worth of stuff. I didn't add anything up, but you get really good deals. And you can always, so it's $25, and you can always use somebody that has a code and get 30% off. So I normally put the codes down in the community tab as well. So what I did was I got 2 of them and I used a code. Now, when I did get these, I got these a few days ago, but I noticed the bags are different. These are normally what the bags look like. In here is giveaway items that's for something else. But I want to show you what that bag looked like. So I was quite surprised that they did change it up. And a lot of times, like I know like Pure Cosmetics, when they do their mystery bags, most of the time it's always the same thing. So I was curious to see, did they change up from the last time that they have it or what? And it looks like they have. You get some of the same repeat things, but the reason why I get 2 is because anything extra that I get that are doubles, I like to have a giveaway. So in this video, because I'm looking, since it's see-through, there are some things that are the same. So I will be having a giveaway in this video. So make sure you watch the whole video to see what you have to do. All right, so I'm just going to pick one and see what we got. So that's what it looks like. I kind of like these bags bigger because they're a lot bigger than the other ones. All right, so the first thing that I am pulling out is this beauty blender from Ofra. And I noticed that every time I get the mystery bags, I always get one of these, but you can't go wrong with a beauty blender. All right, the next thing, now this is something different. So we got the Egyptian clay bronzer. And there we go. Now, I don't think I've tried, have I? I don't remember if I tried that. But what I do like is you got your little Z palette with it. So that's good. And last mystery bag, you got a different Z palette and it had 6 little eyeshadows in it. So that was nice. So this is the Z palette that we get. Look at that. That, if you guys can see back there, that is all boxes of things because in a few days, I'm going to have a huge giveaway. So make sure that you are subscribed for my 2-year anniversary. So I have everything like piled up. And I always keep extra boxes so that I can have like giveaway stuff with. So how the heck do you open this up? I can't get this open. Why not? What? Is it taped up? Let's see. I don't know why I can't get this open. What in the... Why can't I... Is this taped up? I don't know. I will have to... this is going to bother me till I get this thing open. Alright, I'll play around with this. Anyway, this is a Z palette to put the bronzer in. Alright, so we have that. Then we have an eyeshadow in the shade Bliss. So that's good. So you could put that as well in your Z palette. And then I do notice, is this, let me see if it's a different color. Okay, so this is the same one that we get. This is a eyeliner in the shade Turquoise, which is really, really pretty. And then we have, see now this is the old packaging. This is in Miami Fever. And then we have like a lip gloss, and this is in Cherry Mocha. All right, so that's in the first bag. And here's the bag. It's pretty big. So, all right, the second bag, these will be the things that will be in your giveaway. So again, we got another Egyptian clay bronzer. So one of you guys will be getting that. That's in the giveaway. Another Z palette, which I will not open. So this will be in the giveaway. Okay, is this the same? Eyeshadow in the shade Bliss. That will be in the giveaway. Another Ofra Beauty Blender, which of course that will be in the giveaway. And then a couple lipsticks. So again, let's see, is this in turquoise? In turquoise, so that will be going to one of you lovely people. And then I have two lipsticks. This is in Atlantic City and Honolulu. So what I'm going to be put in there, I'm going to put oh my goodness. I'm going to put all three lipsticks in the giveaway. So I will be putting Miami Fever in the giveaway. So you'll be getting this bag, Miami Fever. You will be getting Honolulu. It's like a purplish color. You will be getting Atlantic City. And I'm like 30 minutes away from Atlantic City, New Jersey. So for me to give this up, I must really love you guys. So this is like a red shade. You will be getting the Beauty Blender. You will be getting a turquoise eyeliner. You will be getting an eyeshadow in the shade Bliss. You will be getting this bronzer. And you will be getting this Z palette. So let's see if everything will fit in here. All right, so this will be over, let's see, today is the 3rd. Let's see, let me look on my calendar. I should have been more prepared, but per usual, I'm not. So let me look on the calendar and see when 2 weeks is. Okay, so today's the 3rd. So you know what? We're going to go to February 24th. February 24th, it will be over. So the only thing you have to do is be subscribed because I will check. Make sure you like this video. You watch this video in full, yeah, and you just comment down below anything that you want, and I will do a comment picker on the 25th and then announce the winner. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know what you think of Ofra Cosmetics. Have you tried Ofra Cosmetics? Let me know. If you, even if you just leave an emoji, leave something so that way when I go through comment picker, it will pick your, you have a chance to win. All right, guys, I love you guys. Do not forget to like this video because it really does help me out. Make sure that you are subscribed for this giveaway. And also, if you don't want to enter this giveaway, I have a really big giveaway coming up in a few days that you guys do not want to miss. And as always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.